Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we explore how to use the MIT function in Google Sheet. The MIT function helps to extract a specific part of a text or code. Suppose you have a code and you need to extract a position of it starting from a specific position. Let's say we need to extract 4 vector string from the 5th position in a code. Here, how to do it? Start by typing is equal to mid. Select the cell containing the code. Enter the position from where you want to start, which is 5 in this case. Then specify the number of characters you want to extract, which is 4. Close the bracket and press enter. Now you can copy and paste this formula down to apply it to other codes. As you can see, it extracted the exact characters we needed from each codes. I hope this video helped you understand how to use the MIT function in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.